So, focus back. 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. Okay. Yesterday, our math target was I can add and subtract decimal numbers. We are going to add just a tiny bit to this. Just a little bit. Right? We're just moving one step closer. Or we're moving on a step. That's a better way to say it. So actually, instead of just doing decimal numbers, I'm going to put in a word in here. I can add and subtract whole and decimal numbers. Whole and decimal numbers. So think about that, what that would look like. A whole and a decimal number. Oh. Can you make me on your whiteboard a whole and a decimal number? See if you can make one. Lucas.
I never learned how to add and subtract.
You're going to learn today. Plus, my teaching video from yesterday, anybody that wasn't here, is on Google Classroom. So if you missed yesterday, you're going to take a look at that tonight when you get home, and then you can do your homework. Ooh, you got a fraction, Bailey. Make me a decimal. You know how to make a decimal, right? Make up a number. Put a whole number on the front. There you go. Yes. Yes. Very good. You can make up any number you want. Good, Ella. Very good. Oh, Jack, can I see a fraction? Show me a decimal. There you go, Lucas. Okay. All right. Okay, Hunter. We're going to do our handwriting. So put this away in your desk. And then get out your whiteboard and your marker. We'll finish that later. Good. Oh my word. Okay, Dylan, bring yours up really fast. I like this one. Take a look at Dylan's number. Mona.
Lisa.
I love Dylan's number, but take a look. He is exactly right. Here's his decimal right here. I can't even say this number. If I took a little bit longer, I probably could. But he's got some whole numbers, and then his decimal, and then his decimal numbers, right? I can't even go that far in my place values for decimals, but that's really good, Dylan. Lizzie? Thank you, sir.
His first number is just 10,529,152.
Right. Something like that. Okay, erase your words. I've got a new problem for you that I want you to try. Good job, Jackson. You got it. Here's your new problem. 3,769 plus 584. There you go. Please try it on your whiteboard. Give it a try. Oh, friends, if we're singing, our voices are up. Give it a shot. Yes, Lucas?
Wait, is that a decimal or a whole?
It's a whole. Yeah? It's a whole. I don't even have it. Let's see.
I think I got it wrong. What the Mrs. Teacher Lady? Mrs. Teacher Lady.
Okay, I'm seeing some. Oh, Riley, check yours. You're close. Check yours too, Tyson. You're close. There you go. Yes. Good. Oh, you're super. Oh, you got it. No, Carson, you got it. I didn't read one of your numbers right. That's right. Good.
Can we do it?
There you go. Yes. Keep going, those of you who are still working on it. Yes. Good job, Rory. You got it.
I'm done.
You are super close, Chloe. You're very close, Kaylee. Check your second number, sweetheart. Good job. You got it, Alexa. Good job, Andrew. Thank you, Bailey. Actually, check this one right here. 1 plus 7 plus 5. Check it. You forgot to add the 1, I think. Yes, good job. Good job, Ella. Not quite. Check again. Okay, so this was just a little bit of a review of just adding our numbers, right? Okay. Yesterday we talked about when we add decimals, 2 special rules. That's it. 2 special rules, right? I'm going to write them right here. The first rule is, oh, do you remember, Brinley? What?
I know one of them is whenever there's a blank spot, add a zero.
Oh, good. Whenever there's a blank spot, add a 0. Okay, I'm going to add that one. The first rule, I'm going to put that in there. That's perfect. The first rule that I'm going to write is we need to line it up, line it up. Yes. I'm on fire. Okay, so line up place values. Right, like on this one, notice the ones are right on top of each other. The tens are right over each other. The hundreds, right? Now we know from, I don't know, 2nd grade maybe, that this blank spot means a 0. But we didn't write a 0 on this one. Did any of you fill it in with a 0? Okay. But when we do decimals, we want to fill it in with a 0 so that we don't get our place values mixed up. Okay? Okay, so we're going to line up the place values. What Brinley said was we fill in blanks with a 0. And the very last one is we just bring the decimal down. We just bring it right down. If there was a decimal in this problem, which would be right here, right? We bring it right down. Bring the decimal down. Go to class, friend. See you. Thank you. Okay, and we bring the decimal down. Okay, so we got our 3 rules, right? That's all we need. We can do this. We got this. So if you missed yesterday, you're going to be just fine. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this. We'll try it together. Are you ready? You can write this on your board. So erase your board if you're not there. Here we go. We've got 44 and 25 hundredths.
Charlie's just sitting right there.
Okay.
She's sitting up there.
44 and 25 hundredths plus 8 and 96 hundredths.
That's a lot of math. I don't like it.
No, but we're easy peasy. Right, take a look up here. First of all, did I line up my place values?
Yeah.
I've got hundredths. I've got tenths. I've got ones and my tenth. Okay. Next, fill in blanks with a 0. I'm gonna put in my 0 just to keep everything straight. Okay. And last, I bring the decimal down. Right there. Okay. Try it out. Try it out.
I'm done. Did me do it?
Miss Savage went out there, so it's okay. But thank you. Good.
Yay.
All the ones I see are correct. You are amazing. If you're not done yet, that's fine. Keep going. If you're not done, keep trying. I love it.
Yeah, Yahoo, I'm smart.
Almost, Kaden. Let's see where you're from. Oh, what's 5 plus 6? 5 plus 6. 11. So you put 1 at the bottom. And then 1 at the top. Good. 1 plus 2 is? Bring your decimal down. Good job, Ellie. Got it. Got it. Perfect. Yes. There it goes. There you go. Okay. All right. If you got almost, let's try it. Let's do it really fast together. Good. Good. 5 plus 6 is 11. Put my 1 down here. Carry the tens place up there, so my 1 goes up here. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 9 is 12. So my 2 goes down here. My 1 comes up here. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 8 is 13. My 3 goes down here. My 1 comes up here. If you didn't get this, make sure you're following along so you know what to change for next time. 1 plus 4 is 5. So we should have got 50. Wait. Actually, who knows how to say this correctly? Not point something. Not point something. Lucas, how would you say this?
51 and
Oh wait, 50?
53 and
21 tenths.
No.
2 tenths.
2100.
But I have 2 tenths, but now I've got the one after. So how would I say? What place is this one in? The hundredth. So we say 21 hundredths. Aha, there it is. And I loved how Lucas put that the decimal is our and. Exactly. So 53 and 21 hundredths. Very good. Oh, you guys are smart. Okay, let's try something. I record this and then I block the work, so that really is not helpful. Maybe I'll try to stand on this side. You guys train me. I have to stand on this side, okay? You have to train me. We will later. We will. Not yet. All right, let's try. Oh, okay, let's try another one. Oh, this one really might be too easy. Should we try it? I don't know. Okay. All right, let's try. I don't know. This is a money problem.
I bet you a lifesaver.
Yeah, me too.
I bet you a lifesaver.
Oh, I know how to make it a tad bit harder to see if you understand. Okay, you ready? Here we go.
We're getting a lifesaver.
This is the first part of the problem. Everybody write it on your board. Write this first part on your board. Oh wait, I need everybody write. You're writing this first part on your board, and then I'm going to tell you the next part. You have to write it and add it. You ready? $15 plus 15 cents.
What the heck is this?
$15 plus 15 cents. You might be able to do it in your head, but I want you to show me on your board. $15 plus 15 cents. Good job. Good job. There you go. Awesome. Check with your neighbor. Make sure they've got it. Check with your neighbor. Good job. Good, Dylan. Thank you, Jackson. Oh, almost, Chloe. Can you help really fast? You're super close. Brooke, you're close. You're close. Good, Landon. Good. Carson, will you show Brooke really fast? Good job. And bring down your decimal point. Bring down your decimal. Good job, Rory. Yes, Katie, you got it. There you go. There you go. Okay. Oh, you guys got it. Okay, so what I saw was we did $15. Yes. Good. Plus 15 cents, which means that 15 cents goes behind my decimal like this. Right? Is this what you got? And then you filled in with zeros? All right, so we got $15 and 15 cents. Okay, excellent. Well, that's great. Now you're ready for hard?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, Bertie.
Actually, I think harder might be subtraction.
Well, yeah, okay.
Are you good with adding? Do you feel confident with that?
No, I don't.
I'm going to try one more. We're going to try one more adding. Ready? Get your markers ready.
Get your markers ready.
Ooh, this one will be hard. Please remember rule number 2. Please remember rule number 2.
Rule number 2 is be responsible.
Well, number 2 is general. How is this hard?
Ooh, notice how I am writing this problem.
Gosh, that's
I have
so many ways.
Oh, Riley, let's not shut up. I have 57 and 3/10 plus 89 hundredths. Now, I did line it up. I lined up my place values. I hope that you will write your place values correctly up here as well. And then remember, fill in your blank with zeros. Good. Yes. Okay, all of you that have... Oh, travel. Good. Yes, Connor. You got it, Dylan. You got it, Carson. There you go, Kaden.
Let's go.
Good job, Braxton. I'm walking around. Almost. Alexa, try one more time. Good job. You got it, Chloe. Good job. You got it, Kaylee. Very nice. Very nice. Good job, Brooke. What do we put in our snacks? Good job. Keep going. Good, awesome. Gotta bring down. Good, perfect, perfect.
Yeah, I subtracted.
You guys are amazing.
I said it wrong.
Ah. Oh, look, take a look right here. Our decimal goes before the 8, so we've got to scoot it over. And we're going to put your 8 right here. And then the 9, yes, over on the side. What do we put in our blank spot? And then look, we have another blank right here. Perfect. Okay, add those guys up. All right, erase your boards. Erase, erase. Are we just adding to
Make up your own subtraction.
Make a really hard subtraction.
Yes, but so 1 plus 8, 7 is 8. We don't need to carry a 1. So this is just a 5. You are so close. I thought, oh, you're just adding today. That's it. Wow, that's not our homework. We're ready. That's all we got. Should I? Okay, I'm gonna do. Oh, here's a good one. Here's a good one. Okay, you have to listen and write this. I'm not gonna write it on the board. You ready?
You're scary.
I am scary. Here you go.
I got
6 plus
what the heck?
6 plus. No, that was just the one thing. So that's all. Just do 1 6. I start over. Erase, erase, erase. I was just repeating myself. Okay, ready? Everybody's erased, right?
Yeah.
6 plus. I lost it. Okay, here you go. 7 thousandths. It's a spitter, but I don't want to spit on that. Thousandths.
Don't spit on me.
7 thousandths. 6 plus
Oh, this.
7 thousandths. Oh, not 7 holes. Not 7 holes.
Are you serious?
That is.
Oh, remember.
Forbidden water.
Good. Yes. Good. Check with your neighbor. Make sure they're getting it. Check with your neighbor. Oh, close. It's 7 thousandths, not 7 holes. Oh, good job, Jackson. Oh, so not 7 holes. Not 7 holes. Try 7 thousandths. Where would 7 be in our thousands? We've got tenths, hundredths, thousands. So make it be a 7,000. There we go. 0, 0. And then add all those babies up. Good job, Marie. Not what? Did you subtract? We're just adding. Oh, actually, you mixed up your. We did. Oh, we did 6. Let's try. You are so close. So we're gonna do our 6 like this with the whole, and then like the rest of this. And then 7,000 will go right here on this side. 7,000 like that. And this is our decimal, not a. Now add it. Good job, Kaylee. You're doing it
I
right.
already helped Carson.
You got it. Yeah. Okay. Wow.
I got it right.
Okay, here's your challenge. You ready? Get ready. Give me a soft drum roll. Soft drum roll.
Mama, is that even a number? Oh yeah. Oh yes, this is so cheesy.
There you go. That's your challenge.
Yes.
That's your challenge. Dylan, will you come pass out the
What
homework?
type of challenge?
Challenge accepted.
I'll do it.
If you get your homework paper, you can move on to your homework. You don't have to finish the challenge.
One.
If you do the challenge, you don't have to do your homework.
No, that is not how it's gonna be.
I hate homework.
But thank you, Connor.
Oh yeah, let's go. Done.
Homework is my least favorite part of the day.
Class.
Yes.
Then let's try to finish in class. You have 10 minutes.
actually added for the first time.
Let's go.
Ooh. Okay, good. Oh my goodness, you guys are amazing. We're gonna do a few of these together. Good. Yeah. So once you get your homework, get ready because we're gonna do a few together on the board. Here we go.
Something's gonna happen.
Good job.
This is a map.
Sorry, Dylan, I stole your job. Okay, get your pencils ready. We are going to look at number 1.
We got the
Oh, we were doing addition on there.
I played
Good job. Oh, very nice. Oh, right. What? All right, I need voices up. Voices are up. Let's take a look at number 1 so we make sure everybody's on the same page. It says use the number 724,062 and 58 hundredths. I'm going to write that down right here. 724,062 and 58 hundredths. Number 1 says increase the number by 7 hundredths. So all we need to do is take this number, and what are we going to do, Riley?
You're just gonna add a 700.
We're going to add 7 hundredths, but we've got to make sure that we put it in the right spot, right? So 7 hundredths,
0.
Connor, we can write it on the board. Where does our 7 hundredths go? And then you can ask your question. Yep, we're adding 7 hundredths to this problem. Where would we write it? And I wrote it tall, I'm super sorry. Perfect! You did it right. Look, he lined up the hundredths place. The tens place he put a 0. The decimals lined up, and there's a 0 before the decimal.
And
Excellent.
guess what? I wasn't even listening because I was.
You're not supposed to tell people that, Connor.
I wasn't even listening.
What was your question? He had his hand raised. Okay, what's your
I
question?
was gonna ask you what language you were speaking.
Was I speaking a different language?
Yeah, here's
You always do.
You were speaking math.
Oh, math. That's true. Math is its own language. Add it up, friends. Write this on your paper. This is number 1. So you've got to show me your work. If you want to attach a scratch paper, you sure can. But remember, you're showing me your work. So this is how we do number 1.
Dude, what is this key?
Let's take a look at number 2. So if I have some people who are still struggling a little bit,
I finished.
make sure you write down. You can add it up later, but let's look at number 2.
Why is my desk so messed up? I need to.
Number 2 says we're going to decrease the number by 100,000. So I'm still going to write the same number, 724,062 and 58 hundredths. Decrease is what operation, friends? Subtraction. And we're going to subtract 100,000. I'm going to line up those place values exactly.
All you do is take.
Yes, it is.
All you do is take off 1
Right. So this one you could do in your head. If you can do this one in your head, I will allow you to not show your work on this. Because we could just take one away from our 100,000 place, right? Okay, I'm going to be walking around. I want everyone to be working on this. We did a couple together. Make sure on 5, 6, and 7, it shows cents. Think about how we show the cents in decimal form, right? Like on number 5, 45 cents. If we write it as a decimal, it looks like this.
Yeah, we need to make sense of all
Right?
this math. I don't even understand it. It needs to make sense.
Okay.
Connor, stop.
All right, there you go.
Connor, stop doing things. Stop punning me.
Miss Norman?
Stop punning
Yes.
me.